Ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you this machine for small model. It's 5112A. It's a high-quality CNC gear shaping machine. I remember that we exhibited at the CCMT 016 Shanghai and won the Spring Swallow Award. Look, the customer is verifying on this machine. He is machining the steel ring in a harmonic drive. The module of the steel gear is 0.317 millimeters, and the number of teeth is 162. Last month, we received 2 new orders. They are with the full cover. Let's take a look at other machining cases. If you have any requirements, please contact market@cjmt.com.cn. Thank you very much.